Today, I'm going to teach you how to find your GitHub username, whether you need it for sharing your profile, collaborating on projects, or simply verifying your account details. Knowing where to locate your username is essential. Let's walk through this together. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. This will bring you to your GitHub dashboard where you can access all your account information and repositories. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. Right at the top of this menu, you'll immediately see your username displayed. It's positioned prominently so you can quickly identify it whenever needed. This is the fastest way to check your username without navigating away from whatever page you're currently on. Alternatively, if you want to see your username in a different context, you can click on the profile option from that same drop-down menu. This will take you to your full profile page where your username is displayed more prominently. Here, you'll get a complete view of your GitHub presence, including your repositories, contributions, and other account details. Once you're on your profile page, navigate to the left panel. This is located directly below your profile avatar on the left side of the screen. In this section, your username is displayed along with other key information about your account. This panel serves as a quick reference point for your identity on GitHub, and it's especially useful when you want to see how your profile appears to others on the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully located your GitHub username using two different methods. Both approaches are straightforward and allow you to quickly access this important piece of information whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.